plus cos beta minus gamma minus alpha plus cos gamma minus alpha minus beta is equal to dash. This is given in MSET 1996. This type of problems has to be solved by using the method of substitution. First suppose I would like to take alpha is gamma is equal to 0 degree. This becomes cos 0. That means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. On substituting in 1, cos 0, 1 into 1, this is 2. On substituting into 3, this is equal to 3. Substituting into third one, this is equal to 4. Substituting into fourth one, this is equal to 6. This is 4. That's why third answer is the right answer. B by 2 divided by minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 A minus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. You see A minus B by 2, this is changing like this. This is minus M by L. Now cos A minus B can be written as cos 2A is equal to 1 A minus B by 2 by 1 plus tan square A plus B by 2. This is 1 minus M square by L square by 1 plus M square by L square. This is L square minus M square by L square plus M square. This one is the right answer. First one is the right answer. You can ref 1 minus A minus sin square B plus sin square C. Okay, this can be written as 1 minus cos A plus B into cos A minus B plus sin square C. Cos A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Therefore, cos A plus B is equal to minus cos C. Cos A plus B is equal to minus cos C. This sin square C I will write like this. Now 1 minus sin square, this is 2 minus 2 plus cos C. This is minus cos C into cos A minus B minus cos square C. Now 2 plus cos C has taken a common, cos A minus B. We have a minus cos C. In that place I had written cos A plus B. On simplificating this, 2 plus 2 cos A, cos B, cos C. This is the answer. 56 degrees, I think. This is cos 66 degrees, cos 72 degrees. Okay, cos 72 degrees. Now we have cos A, cos 60 plus A into cos 60 minus A is equal to cos 3A by 4. Put A is equal to 6 degrees. This cos 54 is equal to cos 18 by 4. Okay, you see friends, now cos 66 is equal to cos 18 by 4 cos 54. In this you substitute this value. This is cos 72. That means you see by 4 cos 54 into cos 72. Cos 72 is sin 18. Sin 18 by cos 54 into 4. This can be written as multiplying by 2 sin 18, that is sin 36, by 8 into cos 54. These two will get cancelled. This equal to 1 by 8. 1 by 8. This is the quotient given in. This is the quotient given in MSET 2000. Cos 2a, cos 2b. This can be written as solution. You see 2 cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2, 2 cos a plus b into cos a minus b plus cos 2c, cos 2c. Remaining part I will kept like this. Plus b, a plus b plus c is equal to 270. Cos 270 minus c. This is minus sin c. This is minus sin c. This is minus 2 sin c into cos a minus b plus, this can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square c plus 4 sin a sin b sin. I have taken. Now this is cos a minus b. We will here plus sin a plus b. This is 4 sin a sin b sin c. I have written here same. This is multiplying with this minus 4 sin a sin b sin c plus 4 sin c. Get cancel. This is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Okay.